trade update on the pair that I analyzed at the beginning of the week, which was on Saturday, not the beginning of the week, on Saturday. So I'm here to just do a kind of trade update. So I'll start with the AUD USD. So I think on Saturday, AUD USD was here, closed bearishly into this area of interest. So I can remember I said, the moment the new market opened, I want to see a liquidation of this candlestick. So immediately the market opened, the price moved all the way to the upside. I was like, no, I do not want to make an emotional decision on this trade. So I waited. Then towards the closing of the candle, you can see the candle closed and swept the low of this candle. So I was like, okay, cool. Now I want to see a new candle open, which is the second day on Tuesday. I want to see a new candle open, then so that we can have the push to the upside. Then I jump down to my 1 hour. So at this point, price was here. So you can see price started giving lower and lower highs. Then the moment we close below this, then I was looking for price to shoot to the upside, close above here, then give a retest to buy. So I was waiting. As you can see, price went to the upside, broke down again. I was like, okay, I want to see price close above this place, above this zone around 0.63616. I want to see price break it. Then we have a retest of the zone and the EMA to take the price up. So what did price do? Price never closed above. Instead, came a little bit up, then price slashed down again. I was like, oh my god. So again, when I saw this price action, I was spotting something that looked so familiar. If I flip the chart, you can see. So I saw something that was building up, which was this left head, then the right shoulder. So I was like, okay, I know, I can see what the market is about to do. Like, it's trying to create a pattern for us to sell. So I was waiting. Then I drew my zone. Let me flip the chart again. So I drew my zone. Like, what I was expecting was expecting the price to break out. Then we'll retest the EMA and the area of interest to take the price up. Look at what price did again. It came, tapped the zone, and sold off. Like, what does AUDS, what does it really want to do? Like, faking out here and there. So this one, by sticking to the trading plan and sitting on our hands, we did not take this trade. And with the way the price is looking, I don't think we can get anything from this trade this week. But it's just Wednesday. You can see what price can decide to do whatever it wants to do. So let's move to the next pair that I analyzed. GBP-JPY. GBP-JPY, my analysis was easy here. I said I want to see price come back to this zone before I sell, which is on the daily time frame. So going to the 1 hour time frame, what can we see here? You can see price has been on this range. Price has just been on that range, going to the upside, coming down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. I mean, this is range, you can't trade this. So what do I have to do? I will wait. I want to see a price action that looks like this. Once I see a price action that looks exactly like this, I will trade. If I don't see a price action that looks like this, I'm not doing anything. I'll be waiting and wait. I want to see a push to the upside with decisive candlesticks, not choppy sheets like this. I want to see a decisive candlestick go into that zone, shift structure, then break to the downside. If I don't see that, do trade on the GJ. Then again, I have CHF JPY. This one almost got me yesterday, but because of the trading plan, and I stuck to the trading plan, I avoided the loss on this pair. So let me show you what I saw that almost made me took a trade yesterday. So I saw this breakdown, then break to the upside, then break again to the upside. Then as you can see here, this looks so much like the reversal pattern that I normally trade, as you can see, and this was the break of the neckline of the head and shoulder pattern. So what did I do? I drew out this zone, then I was waiting for price to come into this zone and give me an entry signal. So I always look for an entry signal on the 30-minute time frame. So let's head down to the 30-minute time frame. So my risk to reward tool was here like this. So what was I waiting for? I was waiting to get a candle that looks like this. I was waiting to get a candle that looks just like this to pop up on this zone. Then after seeing this doji candle, I was like, cool, now I want to see a bearish engulfing candle from this zone engulfing this candle. Then I would jump on the trade. What happened? Price never gave a bearish engulfing candle, and what did we do? We avoided the loss. We did not take the trade. If it was to be then that I used to trade, maybe setting orders on the zone, this would have been the trade. And what is that? A stop loss. So we avoided this loss. Now, what am I waiting to see again to trade this pair? Now, obviously, the price has given a low and a high. And you can see price is struggling to make either a new high or a low, and the higher time frames are bearish. So what I would like to see is, I want to see price come over here, give a sort of rejection again, then break out and close below 166.471, then a retest to this area to sell this market. And mind you, if price doesn't do this, I will not trade this pair. I will not trade it. So this is what I'll be waiting for on CHF JPY. Then again, USD CHF, I do not want to talk about that because that pair is crazy. It's crazy. Now, NZD card. NZD card is the most useless of all, most crazy of all. I saw this beautiful reversal pattern, which is the head, the left head shoulder. I saw it. Then I was so confident on this pair. So what I wanted was for the pullback, then to buy. As you can see on the daily time frame, you can see that the pullback was turned into a daily wick. Pullback like a wick candle, then turned into, can I call this a daily hammer candle, which is very dirty. Because on the 1 hour time frame, there is no price action there. Although it looks like it actually went to the direction, but there is no actual price action here, because I cannot obviously trade a price action that is one to the downside, one straight price action to the downside, and one straight price action to the upside. I can't trade this. So I obviously passed on this pair. And then again, as you can see that the pairs I analyzed for the week are still the pairs I am waiting to get an opportunity from. When you analyze pair for the week, try as much as possible to stick to the pair, because if I hop away from these pairs and I maybe run into other pairs just to take other trade, it might be loss. I might take a loss, because out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs, nothing is working there. So is it the 6th pair that I will go and bring from nowhere that will give the trade? No. You stick to the pair you analyze for the week. Till the weekend, do not go to other pairs. Just stick to them and try to figure out if you were able to get trades from them. And if you are not able to get trades for them, it totally means for the week you didn't get a trade. It's fine not to take a trade for a whole week. It's fine. So this is the correct trade update. So I'm currently interested in CHF-JPY only. If only CHF-JPY can make this move that is just on the screen. A lower bounce here, a breakout, close below 16647, then a retest of the zone. Then again, I will also wait for an entry candle just like this, bearish engulfing candle from this zone. If I do not get a bearish engulfing candle from this zone, the trade is still invalid. I will not take it. So that is for that. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe and share the video. Thank you.